ECDL Advanced Access Lesson 42 Combo Box Option 2. Now if you remember, in Lesson 40 we introduced combo boxes and we said there were three options. In Lesson 40 we dealt with Option 1, getting the values from another table or query, and in this lesson we're going to look at Option 2, type in the values wanted. Okay, so let's start. For a small number of values in a combo box, it may be easier to look up a separate list entered as part of the setting up process for the box itself. So let's get back to where we were, which was the authors database, and then we were looking at the end of the last lesson at the English literature form. Let's look at this in design view and remove the literature label and field. So let's select them and then delete. Make sure the Use Control Wizards option is turned on. So let's go into the Design tab, More from the Controls group, and then Use Control Wizards. Click the Combo Box button and then click once below the title field. From the wizard, select the second option. I will type in the values that I want, and then click Next. Specify that one column is required in the combo box, and enter these following values, pressing Tab after each entry. PROSY, now that's spelt incorrectly on purpose, drama, and then poetry. Click Next. Select Store that value in this field and select the literature field. Click Next. Enter literature as the label and then click Finish. Resize the combo box and label as appropriate, and then format it in the same way as the other fields. So select one of the other fields, Home, Format Painter, and click inside the literature combo box. There has been a spelling mistake in the combo box. To change values in a combo box, select the combo box and view its property sheet. Design, Property Sheet. Select the Data tab and then select the row source property. Change the misspelt word from prosy to prose. From the Limit to List property, select Yes. This means that users will not be able to enter any other text, just to select from the combo box. Close the property sheet and save the form. Switch to Form View and move to record number 95. Using the new combo box, change the literature field from drama to prose. Okay, if you save where you're up to, and we're going to use this form and this database in the next lesson, Lesson 43, in which we're going to discuss the third option for combo boxes using wizards. Okay, I hope this is making sense, and I look forward to seeing you next time.